Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming prerequisites. You need your Apple ID, device passcode, and the recovery key in hand. Once you have them, open Settings and tap your name, then Password and Security. Make sure two-factor authentication is active and your iPhone is connected to the internet. Without network access, the key won't verify. Now choose Account Recovery or use Recovery Key, because this first step links the key to your Apple ID and arms the device for recovery procedures. Next, go to Password and Security and select Use Recovery Key. You'll be prompted to type the full 28-character key exactly as shown. It's case-sensitive and includes hyphens. Type slowly and double-check each segment before submitting, because mistakes lock the process. Once entered, the iPhone asks for your device passcode to authorize the change. Enter it, then allow any verification messages on your other trusted devices. This ties the key to your account and enables secure account recovery. Finish by confirming recovery key is enabled in Password and Security, and then store a printed or physically secured copy offline. Do not store it in unsecured cloud notes. If the key is rejected, don't panic. Retype slowly, check for similar characters like O versus 0, and try using a trusted device prompt instead. If repeated failures occur, gather device serial and account details, and contact Apple support for assisted recovery only after exhausting the retry steps, because support can verify ownership and complete recovery.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.